loves! Today, I'm doing a voiceover para dun sa unboxing na ginawa ko last June pa. I'm very sorry for the late uploads, but yeah, this is how it is in this channel. So, yeah, I'm doing a voiceover. First time kong gumawa ng voiceover for a video. I'm doing that because you might already know because of the title. So, yung unboxing na yon gone wrong big time kasi I filmed that video in a day of chaos kasi dun siya dumating nung araw na yon, and then I get very excited and I unboxed it the same day, which I actually unbox it the other day na hindi masyadong busy, but I did it very quickly. But yun nga, meron kasi akong ginagamit na lapel for my videos. Ito siya. And this one, nung ginawa ko yung video na yon is first time ko din tong gamitin, tong lapel na to. And hindi ko pa siya na-try before. I think I tried it before nung nakuha ko siya, but I never tried it like for a long video. And that day nga, nagmamadali ako kasi nga it's a day of chaos and I'm so busy that day, but again, I choose to do it in that day. So, nung nagawa ko siya, nung after ko na siya ma-video, nung natapos ako, dun ko na-realize na hindi siya gumana. Hindi ko pala siya na-plug ng mabuti sa phone ko. Like, alam nyo naman, nag-phone lang yung gamit ko. So, that's it. Yun yung nangyari. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. And, you're gonna see the video after this video. I'm gonna do just the intro kasi nga, just to let you know that, that what was happened. And, baka magtaka kayo kasi hindi ko na maalala yung mga sinabi ko nun. So, it's gonna be a bit different yung sinasabi ko doon sa voiceover. So, para lang kayo nanonood ng Korean drama. Kasi iba yung sinasabi dun sa video, sa voiceover. So, well, anyway, without further ado, this is the video. Enjoy watching. Hi, baby loves! So, ngayon, nandito na ako sa kwarto ng Chekwa. And, we're gonna do a unboxing. I'm very excited for this one. I've been waiting for this for a long time. And, hindi na makakapaghintay to. Actually, today I'm busy. Nagising ako ng maaga and ang dami kong ginawa. Today is a very busy day, but because I'm excited about these products, I'm gonna show you. And oh, baby loves, just a disclaimer and para clear lang tayo, this video is not sponsored by this company I'm gonna show you. And ginawa ko to kasi gusto ko lang mag-unbox kasi wala pa akong unboxing video eh. And so, ayun no, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon and I'm thinking of a title of this kind of video. Yung kakaiba, yung unique, yung wala pang nakakagamit na title. So, I came up with this idea of calling this unboxing video Bibes Unbox the Box. Ang dami ko talagang hanash dito sa video na to, and I think I'm opening the box na right now. So, I'm opening it na right now. That's why I'm taking too long. Ang dami ko lang hanash. Hindi ko alam kung ano naman nagsasabi kong ito dito. So, yeah. Basically, dito napunta yung pera na nakuha ko from my hard work, of course. And I wanted to spend it wisely. So, I accumulate these products and I am now a seller of these products, a official distributor of these products. So, I'm gonna show you, for those who are not familiar, papakilala ko sa inyo yung company na kung saan nanggagaling yung mga products na to. So, this company named N-World is a short term for AlphaNet World Corporation. So, this company sell Korean skincare products. Actually, Korean beauty skincare products. Made in Korea yung mga product na tinitinda ng company. And actually, it's formulated and made from Korea. So, galing pa to talaga sa Korea, guys. Doon talaga siya ginagawa, especially yung mga ano nila, yung mga CC cushion, face cream, body cream, yung mga yon talagang made in Korea sila. Authentic, and talagang doon siya galing, and doon siya pino-formulate. And disclaimer po, mga Bibi Loves, hindi po ako expert pagdating sa mga beauty products. But marunong ako magbasa and marunong akong sumunod sa instruction. That's all. So don't judge me, okay? Thank you so much. Bibi Loves, if by any chance you are interested about these products, kung gusto nyong bumili, I'm gonna put my Carousel account down below in the description box. You can follow me there. And we ship worldwide. Okay, so kahit nasan kayo, kung gusto nyo bumili nito, kung gusto nyo magkaroon nito, you can message me on my Carousel account. Just follow me. I will put the link of my Carousel account down below sa description box. So just message me there, and yun, kung gusto nyo bumili, just message me sa Carousel account ko. Actually, I'm planning to have a second channel where we talk about business. So if you are interested, just comment down below kung gusto nyo yung mga ganon. But I will not put it here kasi baka maumay kayo. Ayoko naman yon. So, gagawa na lang ako ng another channel for that. And if you like that idea, just comment down below. Thank you. Doon ko na lang i-upload yung mga ganitong klaseng video. And meron pa kasi akong isang business opportunity na sinalihan. So, we will talk about that on the second channel na ginagawa ko. And if it's already up, yung second channel ko, I will inform you guys. And sana mag-subscribe din kayo doon. Bumili ako ng isang package ng Enworld, and this is what I got. So, bubuksan na natin siya ngayon isa-isa. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga products nila. And pasensya na kayo sa mga dumi sa kisame. Okay, so nabuksan ko na ba? Hindi ko pa nabuksan kasi bonggang-bongga nga kasi talaga yung packaging niya. Sobrang secure, sobrang bongga, sobrang hirap niyang buksan, as in. So yes, meron pa. Ang galing-galing. Sobrang galing. I'm sorry for my face, guys. I'm so haggard na naman today, but yeah, what's new? Lagi naman akong haggard, so let's start. So as we can see, meron silang brochure dito, nakalagay Enworld. So yon ang first. This is my first unboxing, guys. So sobrang excited ako. So yeah, unfortunately it gone wrong, but it's okay. At least, 'di ba, nakapag-unbox ako. This is my first, and I'm gonna do a haul sa susunod kong video. And sana, if you like this video, please do press the thumbs up button and comment down below kung gusto nyong gawan ko ng video, ng reaction video, or ng review video, or if you are interested in this kind of video, please comment down below. Sobrang hirap buksan yung mga yung mga, I think yung mga liquid, nakabalot pa sila ng bonggang-bongga. Sobrang hirap niyang buksan. So, meron din tayong nakuhang bag, recycled bag. So, meron din silang recycled bag, nakalagay na Enworld. So, yun. Hala, meron pang isa, nakadoble pa siya ng balot. Hirap buksan na nga, nakadoble pa. Just Lord. Bayarn. So, ito na nga muna unahin ko yung mga hindi nakabalot. So, meron tayong CC Cushion, Enlighten CC Cushion. This is a Enlighten product line ng Enworld. So, that's the first. As you can see, ang ganda ng packaging niya, and ang ganda ng pagkaka-print ng pangalan dun sa box. And the next one is Enlighten Body Cream. So, body cream siya. And yan, dalawa sila. And next one is yung ating Enlighten Kojic Papaya. This one is their best seller na soap. Actually, dalawa lang yung soap, but yeah. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Very, mahirap siyang buksan. Hindi siya basta-basta nabubuksan. Papel siya, pero yung texture niya is parang plasticky sa labas. And, as you can see, ganyan yung packaging niya sa loob. Yung sa pinakasabon. And, one thing that I like about the products is meron siyang expiration date. Yeah. That's very important, guys. Kapag bumibili kayo ng mga products, whether it's cosmetics or skincare, kailangan yung tingnan yung yung expiration date. Kasi 'di ba, sa panahon ngayon marami na nagkalat na na fake na product. So better safe than sorry, 'di ba? So para sa akin talaga importante yung meron expiry date like this. You see, meron talaga siyang expiration date. So yeah, lagi nyong i-check kahit anong bilhin nyo, pagkain, cosmetics, or skincare products, lahat ng merong expiration date, titignan nyo. Kasi very, very important yan, guys. Yan o, meron silang expiration date lahat. Every box, meron expiration date sa box. So, very good ang Enworld doon. So, next is Enlighten Underarm Cream. This also has a good review, guys. So, if gusto nyong pumuti yung mga leki-leki nyo dyan, yung mga underarm nyo, use underarm cream. And next one is the Enlighten Cloud Cream, another bestseller from the company. So, ito yung mga Enlighten line ng company. Meron kasi silang 2 line as of now. Enlighten products, yun yung mga skincare products, yung mga CC cushion, mga ganitong cloud cream, yung mga ganyan sabon, Enlighten yun. Enlighten yung tawag nila doon. So, titingnan natin mamaya kung meron pang isang line, yung Enhance, pero I'm not sure kung nandito siya. Kung meron dito sa package na binili ko, hindi ko na maalala. So, ang next natin, itong Enlighten premium soap nila, na meron din nakalagay, of course, na expiration date sa box niya. So, let's open it. I think this one is made sa Philippines na, kasi kapag galing sa Korea is matagal siyang dumating. So, yung mga soap is made in the Philippines pero formulated pa rin sa Korea. And then, sa loob din ng plastic niya, meron din siyang expiration date. So, hindi mo yan makakalimutan. Dahil meron na sa box, meron pa sa plastic niya. So, yeah. Yun yung itsura niya. Ito na yung ito na yung guys, ito na yung enhance na line. So, yung sa mga enhance na line, siya, mga gamot siya, mga glutathione na gamot. Meron din silang pambata, yung Memogrow, pero syempre hindi yun pangbata talaga yun, meron siyang taurine, I think calcium, mga ganun. Basta typical na vitamins na for 1-year-old, I think, to 12 years old. So, ito yung isa sa mga enhanced product nila. I think meron silang 2 glutathione na ganito. Ito lang yung isa sa mga product ng enhanced line ng Enworld. So, it says, nakalagay sa product niya is with collagen and vitamin E. Ito naman, mahirap buksan. Kaya nasa loob nito? Sobra, as in, mahirap buksan. Grabe. Todo na to. Char. Natuwa ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi, nakabalot siya ng 3 plastic at ang hirap niyang ang hirap niya lahat buksan. Grabe naman DHL. Sobrang secure naman ng inyong packing. So, very secure naman. That's good. This one. Another Enlighten products from N-World. It's a facial cleanser. This one has a good review. Nabili na to actually. May expiration date din siya. And meron siyang expiration date. Yan. As you can see, maganda yung review nito. Hello baby loves! Today I'm doing a voiceover para dun sa unboxing na ginawa ko last June pa. I'm very sorry for the late uploads, but yeah, this is how it is in this channel. So yeah, I'm doing a voiceover. First time kong gumawa ng voiceover for a video. I'm doing that because you might already know because of the title. So, yung unboxing na yon gone wrong big time kasi I filmed that video in a day of chaos kasi dun siya dumating nung araw na yon, and then I get very excited and I unboxed it. Hello baby loves! Today I'm doing a voiceover para dun sa unboxing na ginawa ko last June pa. I'm very sorry for the late uploads, but yeah, this is how it is in this channel. So yeah, I'm doing a voiceover. First time kong gumawa ng voiceover for a video. I'm doing that because you might already know because of the title. So yung unboxing na yon gone wrong big time kasi I filmed that video in a day of chaos kasi dun siya dumating nung araw na yon, and then I get very excited and I unboxed it the same day, which I actually unbox it the other day na hindi masyadong busy, but I did it very quickly. But yun nga, meron kasi akong ginagamit na lapel for my videos. Ito siya, and this one nung ginawa ko yung video na yon is first time ko din tong gamitin, tong lapel na to, and hindi ko pa siya na-try before. I think I tried it before nung nakuha ko siya, but I never tried it like for a long video. And that day nga nagmamadali ako kasi nga it's a day of chaos and I'm so busy that day, but again I choose to do it and in that day. So noon nga nagawa ko siya, nung after ko na siya ma-video, nung natapos ako, dun ko na-realize na hindi siya gumana. Hindi ko pala siya na-plug ng mabuti sa phone ko. Like, alam nyo naman, nag-phone lang yung gamit ko. So, that's it. Yun yung nangyari. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. And, you're gonna see the video. After this video, I'm gonna do just the intro. Yeah, I love that products, but kailangan nating mag-level up this time. So, kung gusto nyong gawan ko ng review ang mga products na to, hindi ako magiging bias. I'm not. Okay, you judge me if I'm gonna be biased if ever gawan ko to ng review. But, comment down below guys if you're interested on the review video of these products. Gagawan ko sila. I will do my best para makita nyo din yung magiging effect niya sa skin nyo. So, and thank you baby loves for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below. And please click that bell button down below para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng new video. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys. And always keep safe, be happy, and fill your heart with lots of love. Thank you. Mwah. Bye-bye. Look at this guys, yung aftermath ng ating unboxing. Look at that. Dami oh. 5 pieces of Kojic. Yeah. If you want to purchase yours, bili. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng ganito, follow nyo ako sa carousel. So yeah, ang kalat. Lilinisin ko na to. Yeah. Dami ko pang gagawin. But it's okay. At least nakapag-video ako. Tuwang-tuwa ako. And, yun. And, baby loves, para malinaw tayo, uulitin ko po sa inyo na this video is not sponsored by Enworld. So, nakuha ko tong mga products na to, binili ko sila by my own money, by my own free will. Walang pumilit sa akin, hindi ako Guess what, guys? Walang audio. Walang audio. Hindi nag-work ang lapel. Ngayon ka pa naman pumalya. Gagawin ko na lang ng voice over. Kakaloka. Napapagod na. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Tsaka sorry nga pala sa mga kalat. Dumi. Kasi mga ilang araw umuulan dito eh. Ano yan? Yung dumi ng wallpaper. Lilinisin ko yan. Kasi nga busy ako. So, isa yan sa mga kabisihan. I'm so tired. I'm dead.